Good afternoon, everyone. It's Gary back from G&H Honey Bees. It's time for inspections on these boxes since I brought them back from the bush. I've done these two colonies yesterday. I put mite treatments in the bottom box. I'm using Formit Pro, and you can see they're kind of hanging out in the front. These girls are flying, looking for stuff. Lots of them are bringing in pollen, tons of pollen, and they seem to be fairly good with having been moved a few days ago. So let me get you stood up here. So we're going to lift the top 3 boxes off of here and put the Formit Pro right in the bottom box. Come on, smoke, smoke. I don't think I'm going to even lift these frames out. Just going to pull this top box at least. There won't be anything but honey in this top box. I have to turn it a bit to break the seal. Yeah, there's some honey in there. And I believe, oh, you see the frames got moved from the trip down. Back over. There's not going to be much in here either, other than honey. Yeah, it's got honey in it. I think these girls are pretty good for winter. Okay, hold on. I gotta get my smoker going a bit more. Alright, smoker's going a little better. Got you down here where we can see what they're doing. I can guarantee you that this is going to be heavy. I don't think it matters which side I started with. Yeah, see, that's all capped. Pretty much fully capped on there. There's a bit of burr comb on the side of the box. You can see where it ripped the honey open there. But the inside of that's almost fully capped right there. And that's good winter food frame for them. I'm just going to set that aside. Another food frame. Nice dark looking honey in there. Honey on that side. Bit of pollen in there too. Bit of bee bread. Oh, there's our brood. And they're making queen cups. And there's lots of bee bread in there too. On that side. Oh yeah, the other side's got a nice brood pattern on it too for what it is. I'm going to knock them cups off of there. And there's like 2-day-old eggs in the bottoms of those empty cells. So she's been up here recently. And some of these frames haven't been out of here in a couple of months because they were up at the bush. I didn't do full inspections on them up at the bush. Just went and stole their honey. Oh, this one's full of brood. I wonder if you can see the queen here anywhere. That's full of grubs in there. Brand new bees. And there's our queen. Let's see if I can get her under the... See there with the blue dot? She's last year's. She's Carniolan. Nice looking queen. So she's laying this frame up. Again, there's a bunch of queen cups on there. Alright. Get some of that really thick wax off the edge of these frames here. There. So she's doing alright. Put her back in there. I bet you this... I probably don't have to look at any more frames here. So I think all I need to do is lift this box. Oh yeah, there's brood there. Fresh eggs. All them cells, empty cells. Lots of bee bread. See if I can hold it still enough so you can see eggs too. Lots of bee bread there. And same on this side. These cells are all full of eggs. So this box has got lots and lots of room for... Slide that over. Puff them down a little bit. I don't like having those little gaps between the frames because you go to slide the frames together, you end up squishing a bunch of bees that are up there frantically trying to clean up the honey that's in there. Let's put this back over. So they've got plenty of winter stores. Oh yeah, I want to knock that piece of burr comb off there too. There. That back in there. So all I've got to do now is lift this box off and put the mite strips in. Maybe have a quick look at the oh, that's heavy. Well, there's full coverage in there, and I bet you got a little bit of weight to it. But they are not into the egg. You can see I already squished a few bees there. And I'm going to chase them down because I need to clean that off so I can get the mite strips to lay down on there. Alright. that loose bit of wax out of there. I missed a piece. There. Okay, reassembly. Going off the side of the box. Go in there. Okay, so I'm going to finish up putting the box back together, and then we'll check mite strips. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've got these hive back together. I'm just going to do a mite count on hive 4, which is the one right next to it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know if you see any more. 4. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's pretty good after a 24-hour period. So let me get this one wiped off and put back in, and we'll have a look at it back in a minute. Okay, this is from the smaller hive. There's 1, 2, 3, there's one there. 4, 5. There's one, oh, and he's still moving. 6. Yeah, I got one of the girls upset at me. She's flying around the camera. Oh, there's one. 7. 8. One there. So there's 8 on that one. Wow. Can't believe that. After not being treated for since mid-June, and here it is near the end of August. Alright, so I'm going to get that cleaned up and put back in, and we'll do a count again tomorrow. Alright, so that was quick and easy. Got those numbers for these 2 hives written down in my journal. I've just got a little agenda book here, just keeping track of the mite counts for the next 10 days. I wonder if the Formant Pro is causing them to come out like this. It's either that or they got absolutely nothing to do. But one thing I have noticed is my little homemade fountain here. You see them, a few of them. Not as many as yesterday, but they're on the edge of this little, what I call my bird bath. And they're getting a drink of water. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope everybody's staying safe and happy, and hope you liked the video, and we'll catch you again on the next one. I'll probably do a complete follow-up video on mite numbers once, 10 days has gone by. I'll do that, and share with you how many mites come out of these colonies. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please rate, share, and subscribe if you could. And we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.